So you just want me to just talk and verbalize the questions, or are you going to ask them?
I'm gonna ask the questions.
Okay.
You just freestyle.
Gotcha.
Just go off your expertise.
Gotcha.
All right.
Okay.
Hi, this is Marcus Bruno with Bruno Real Estate, and I'm with Keith Butler of Nationwide Insurance, and we're going to talk about homeowners insurance. Now, whether you're a first-time home buyer, or you're a move-up buyer, or you're buying new construction, you're going to have to get homeowners insurance. In fact, the lender is going to require it. So I want to talk to Keith and get some insight from him about homeowners insurance. Now, Keith, what does a homeowner's policy cover?
Marcus, that's one of the more common questions. Homeowners insurance covers the physical structure of the particular building. So whatever the home is, whatever size it is, the homeowner insurance is going to protect the owner of that structure. Also, it's going to protect the personal property of the structure. So clothes, microwaves, refrigerator. If a person has a fence, if they have a shed, like a barn, all that's considered the property of the owner. It's going to cover all those things.
Okay, great. Now, how much coverage does a home buyer really need?
Also a very good question. The short answer is as much as they want to have. Now what that really means is the lender is going to require a certain amount if they finance, so they're definitely minimally going to have that. But some people feel comfortable having much more than that. If that's what they want, they can do that. Some people don't want to have nearly as much. They want it to be as close to that loan value as possible. They can do that. If people who flat own their home and are not financing, then they can even go lower than that. It's up to them, whatever level they're comfortable with.
Okay.
But generally, most people finance, so minimally they want the amount that's going to cover whatever the lender's requiring, and also the value of the home. Whatever the value is, and we have ours set up with our company so that there's a buffer built in there as well. So if something happens, the home is totally destroyed, it's covered.
Okay. And that's what replacement cost is all about.
Which leads directly to replacement costs.
Okay.
So there's a value of the home based upon the appraised value. Then we look at if the home was totally destroyed, what would it cost at that point where it's destroyed to rebuild it or to replace the part that was destroyed? That's the difference between replacement costs and actual cash value.
Okay.
So if you have a very expensive home or a new home, you really want to look at doing a replacement cost. Otherwise, you could be selling yourself short.
All right. All right. And Keith, what's the best way for a homeowner or a home buyer to get in contact with you?
I'm all in the DMV area. The best way to get in contact with me is on my homepage. That is www.nationwide.com/Keith Butler Agency. So I can be found on the net. My cell phone, 571-287-3907. Either one of those is the best way to get in contact with me.
Excellent.
Or through you. You have my contact information
I
as
sure
well.
do. Hey, thank you so much, Keith. I appreciate you coming out. And again, thank you guys for looking at our video, and best wishes on your home search. That's it, brother. That was excellent.